Alright, this is Cali BMX videos, and I'm going to do a bike check for my friend. So, start off, we got primo bar ends, Odyssey long necks, solid 8 1/4 bars with a fit stem, Odyssey M2 lever, and a snafue detangler, Odyssey headset, carbon fiber spacer, solid frame, fit shive forks, Odyssey vandero hub laced to a sun rhino wall, fit faps. Down got fit lowbolt with a fit post, eclat PC pedals, profile cranks, profile bottom bracket, profile spline drive, KMT chain, Eastern birectinal, the maxxis grifter folder. And to be honest, we have no idea what that back rim is. It's just, I don't know,
BM 25. Not sure. If you want to comment and tell us what it is, you can.